Hello everyone, this is Coco from Altertool. Today I recommend to you our company's car repair deck. Altertool plastic clipper is one-piece blow-molded clipper set made out of HDPE plastic. It is lightweight but strong. Its maximum weight is 400 pounds. 6 multi-touring swivel casters, industrial strength, oil, chemical and grease resistant. Strong ergonomic design, impact resistance, providing users with additional comfort. Sit slowly at the end of your clipper, lie back and rest your head on a padded headrest for extra relaxation. Welcome to contact with us by mail, bk@altertool.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.